good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is Flight of the Golden Eagle, a lesson on connect with nature's energy. Ladies and gentlemen, at dawn, as mountain ridges shine in the first quiet sunlight, a golden eagle lifts from its lonely crag and rides the cool currents of morning. High above the mountains, where air thins and silence reigns, the golden eagle draws an arc of light against the sky. Its flight is neither hurried nor hesitant. It is a living emblem of strength, courage, and unbounded freedom, qualities that have inspired civilizations across continents and eras. To watch this bird is to witness a dialogue between earth and ether, a seamless union of physical mastery and natural energy. Science reveals the precision behind the spectacle. The golden eagle, with a wingspan that can exceed 2 meters, rides thermal updrafts, columns of warm rising air, allowing it to soar for hours with minimal wing beats. Its hollow bones reduce weight while maintaining strength, and its powerful chest muscles deliver explosive takeoffs. Keen eyesight, 8 times sharper than a human's, allows it to scan the ground below from miles above. Every movement is a synthesis of biology and physics. Lift, drag and thrust, balanced with the subtle reading of wind currents and pressure gradients. This majesty is earned, not bestowed. From the first fledgling leaps, the eagle endures rigorous training. Young birds practice short glides, refine their wing control, and learn to calculate air currents. Hunting itself is an art honed through repetition. Timing a dive at nearly 240 kilometers per hour demands absolute focus. This continuous sharpening of skill mirrors the discipline of a seasoned martial artist or the perseverance of a scientist refining an experiment. Beyond muscle and method lies a deeper current, The eagle's soaring is possible because it taps into the planet's own energy system. Thermals created by the sun heating the earth's surface rise invisibly. Mountain updrafts form as air is forced skyward. The bird senses these flows and rides them, converting nature's breath into boundless travel. It does not conquer the wind, it collaborates with it, embodying an ancient principle that life flourishes when attuned to the larger rhythm of existence. Discipline, patience, and unyielding focus turn instinct into artistry. From this union of science and spirit emerges a clear lesson. Strength without harmony becomes strain. Courage without awareness becomes recklessness. True freedom arises when power aligns with the forces that sustain all life. The eagle reminds humanity that advancement need not mean domination. Mastery is found in partnership with the natural world. What's the way forward? For modern society, driven by technology, speed, and consumption, the eagle's message is quietly radical. Innovation can mirror its flight, design that respects natural flows, energy systems that draw from the sun and wind, designs that mirror natural geometry, lifestyles that cultivate inner discipline while honoring the planet's balance. Whether in cities or wilderness, the call is to train perception, refine skill, and sense the invisible currents of energy, ecological, social, or spiritual, that carry life forward. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, the eagle's grace invites the human mind to climb its own mental orbits, rising beyond habitual thought to a vantage where perception widens and capability deepens. Strength becomes harmony, courage becomes awareness, and freedom becomes relationship with nature, with society, with the quiet intelligence that breathes through the cosmos. When the golden eagle arcs as a dark flame across the midday sun, it mirrors the highest possibility of life, to rise without resistance, to dwell in harmony with the energy that moves stars and seasons alike. As the revered Bhagavad Gita profoundly declares, wherever there is Krishna, the Lord of Yoga, and Arjuna, the supreme archer, there shall always be victory, prosperity, morality, and the eternal law. The verse summarizes that where divine guidance and the devoted seeker are present in resonating communion, there will be ultimate success and well-being. In above lies an invite for human awareness to ascend beyond mountain and cloud into communion with the infinite energy that turns galaxies and lifts the eagle on its golden flight. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.